Every morning before dawn breaks, my house stirs with quiet purpose. The world outside is still asleep, but for us, the day begins with Fajr, the first prayer. My family gathers in the living room, still wrapped in the comfort of sleep, standing in prayer side by side. After prayer, the kitchen comes alive. We swap stories and giggles, practicing gratitude before the day scatters us in different directions. My son asks about an Arabic word he learned. My daughter helps her little brother zip his jacket. As I head off to work, briefcase in hand, I pass neighbors in the hallway. Some days I answer curious questions about my faith, why I pray 5 times a day, or why my wife wears her hijab with such pride. My wife manages the home, sometimes working from her laptop between chores, sometimes volunteering at the mosque. At school, my kids learn to navigate a world that's both familiar and different. Afternoons bring errands, shopping for halal groceries, greeting the shopkeeper with salam. The small mosque downtown is our anchor, a place to meet friends, celebrate Eid, and teach our children the stories of our ancestors. Evenings are sacred in our home. The aroma of spices fills the kitchen as we gather for dinner. We talk about our day, our challenges, the moments that made us proud. And before bed, we pray together again, ending as we started, united in faith and love. Being Muslim in America isn't always simple. Sometimes it means explaining, sometimes it means standing out, but it always means holding fast to who we are and passing that unbreakable spirit to our children. In this house, with every sunrise and every quiet night, I am reminded our faith, our love, and our unity are our greatest strengths. And that, above all, is what makes this life